What are virusoids? Virusoids are a type of pathogenic RNA belong to a group of infectious agents called satellite RNAs. In size and structure, virusoids are similar to viroids. Virusoids can infect plants. Virusoids are composed of a circular, non-protein coding, single-stranded RNAs dependent on helper viruses for replication and encapsulation. Virusoids replicate in the cytoplasm by utilizing the transcription and processing machinery encoded in part by their helper viruses and in part by their host. The virusoid is incorporated into the helper virus particle and transmitted